You know, it's amazing that the shop local to me is literally like a 5-minute walk down the road, there and back. And this is probably only the second time. It's probably only the second time that I'm walking to the shop rather than driving. And don't lie, I know that other people do it as well. I know that other people drive literally just down the road to the shop instead of walking. But why? Strange, isn't it? There we go, literally got everything I need. It took me, what, 10 minutes to walk there and back instead of driving. Whereas it would have taken me like maybe 5 in the car. Kind of shows the value of time. But what's that time being used for? Is it something worth it? That's the question. Also, got my little bit of exercise in for the day. No running for me today. Can't do that today, I need to rest. For those who have already clicked the subscribe button on my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. If you like these videos, please just give it a little like, which makes me know that I can keep going and you like what you're seeing. Welcome to the life of a Jamaican diver. There's only one of me in the world, one Jamaican diver. Obviously there's only one of me because, you know, like, everybody's unique. But there's only one Jamaican diver in the world and that's me. So this is a unique look on what the life of a Jamaican diver is like, even though I'm not in Jamaica. But still, I'm proud to represent the country, and I know the people there are proud for me to represent them. So this is my journey through to the Commonwealth Games next year, 2018, Gold Coast. Looking forward to getting back out to Australia again. I went to Adelaide in 2012 and I can't wait to see more of Australia. So I hope that all of Jamaica can continue supporting me up through until the Commonwealth Games, and hopefully that can go a little bit better than this season went. So these vlogs are hopefully going to kind of document my journey from now to there, at least. I wish I could say that I'll vlog every single day and post a video every day, or a specific day each week, but I won't be able to do that because it just takes too long to edit, and it's only me doing that. And I'm also too lazy. I get distracted by FIFA a little bit too much, so I probably won't be able to concentrate 100% on doing the vlogs as much as I should. But the main thing is I concentrate 100% on diving, and that is what I'll be doing. So thanks for watching, and here's a conversation me and my dad were having the other day. The whole Usain Bolt, Justin Gatlin thing. So what I said was that even though he is a twice convicted drug thief, he served his time, and I actually kind of admired the way that he ignored all the booze, ignored all the negativity, and still was able to perform and still was able to do what he needs to do on that day.
And remember his courtesy.
And yeah,
because the way that he the way that he greeted. And you wouldn't use the word bow down, but you mean that he greeted both. He was very humble.
Yeah.
And he showed lots of humility where that was concerned. And that was that stood him in good stead. But like I was saying, that if you got people to guide you and to keep you to keep you on the right track.
Yeah.
Someone you can emulate. You don't find yourself making decisions for yourself, because when you've got to make decisions for yourself, sometimes the decisions are wrong. And it can come around to haunt you later on in life. And some people do things, I don't know whether they believe that they're not going to live a long life, and they just do things to get by without any thought.
Yeah.
And later on in life, i.e. Gatlin, it's come back, and I wouldn't say it's haunting him in that much, because I think he's overriding it.
Well, if it was haunting him, then he wouldn't have come back and won the medal. First things first, see if I am ready to go back. Let's see if I can still do a handstand. well, that seems to be all in order. All good. Good start. Second thing to test, see if I'm ready to go back. Can I still do a back somersault? Just about. But also, like, Steve Cram and Michael Johnson had this like big kind of almost argument in the studio, where they were saying that it was the media's fault for portraying him in Beijing 2015 as the villain, and you know I think Steve Cram said when Bolt crossed the line, he's won the gold medal and he may well have saved the sport, and that like just put Gatlin in a worse light than he already is.
Yeah, I think if it went that way, you know, it wouldn't have the same effect as it's having now, because it is really opening eyes. And I think by not winning it, I think he's done more to save the sport, because it's highlighted the plight of drug taking. It doesn't pay. Yeah. All right. There are laws and courts in the land that can you know, they'll punish you, and that's why it's probably got the clear, okay, to run again.
Yeah.
You can't say he can't run. There's no way that he would have been there.
Yeah, exactly.
If somebody gave him permission to run,
and he's been allowed to, and that's fine.
He's been allowed to, and that's okay.
So for me, like when it came to the boos, I actually thought they were disrespectful.
If he was insignificant and if he wasn't in the public's eye, he'd be just another cheat that didn't get. Nothing happened for him, so it was sort of pointless and cheating. But he's in the public's eye, and therefore he's.
Well, that's the thing. Like Johan Blake got convicted of doping, intentional, non-intentional, whatever. But he got convicted, but no one ever speaks about that. There was a woman in the 100-meter final who from Trinidad, and I think the commentators tried their best to make sure it was known that she had been caught for drug cheating, but no one said anything about that. No one booed her. I know she didn't win, but no one questioned it.
The other thing on the company, you know, what you call Gatlin's keeping big company. Gatlin's always been an opposition to and he's voiced it.
Yeah.
Therefore, anything attached to him, and then you know, he will be renowned for it, and then that's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
But I think it should really subside now, and well, it will do eventually.
Well, surely you should. I mean, you should retire now. Should retire on top. 35 years old.
And to come back and run that to beat ball.
Yeah.
You know, you can argue that point either way.
Always full of wisdom.
You're not feeling no ill effect from there. You're not feeling no ill effect from that drink.
From the drink? No.
and then this is what I do.
No, I actually feel more powerful already.
Maybe it does give you a sense.
Maybe I should do this more often.
Well, I tell you, it will not do any harm.
No.
And then you start to browse in here and
and then you ruin it all.
It never really hurts.
Well, just to ruin it all.
I know.
And then to make up for it again. Wow.